How to add air horn in DJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this effect. First of all, open the application. Now here, you must be in this home page. Now you can easily load the music first. Now on the top, there's a FX button. Simply tap on this FX button. So here, there are different effects that are available. Now on the first, there is air horn. So it's a type of horn that you can play it between different music sets. So it's a type of different horn and it even gives a different type of vibe. Now simply select it, and now as you can see, the air horn has been enabled, so you can use it in different beats and different music too. So it's quite exciting. Later simply go back and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.